guys, welcome back to another video. Today you are being joined by Ender Gaming. And yeah, tonight we're just gonna be listening to the sounds of the fucking night, while looking up at the stars. Okay. So, kind of just looking up at the stars. Possible planets again. Listening to crickets. Oh man, this reminds me back when I lived in the country. I love listening to the sounds of the night, Just ever open your window. Just was like, I'm gonna listen. Listen. Hear that? And then cars going by. I used to hear them from a lot further distance because we used to live on a farm, Possibly, I don't know which planet that is. It looks kind of blue from here, so I would say possibly Uranus, but I'm not too sure. Or Uranus. And then I'm just looking up, seeing all the stars. Man, it is so pretty. See that over there? Light, and even more light. It's called light pollution. Not too big of a fan of it, but yeah. But anyways, kind of just wasn't able to sleep, so might as well record something, Be a little bit quiet about it. So, yeah. Man, I love these pine trees that are behind our house. It's kind of great, actually. Looking back at it and just seeing that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you most likely can't. But then there's that one big tree over there, I think. I think that is a tree. I don't know. I can't tell from this distance. But yeah. Anyways. Yeah, that's definitely a tree. But anyways. I was just kind of sitting here thinking to myself, it would be a good time to record the sounds of the night, in my voice, because I think I'm a narcissist, but that's alright. Besides that. Oh, and I saw my views on my last video. I don't know how I got that many views, but that's alright. I'm kind of just rambling on at this point, So yeah. I hope you enjoy this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Sounds of the night if you made it this far into the video. Well, anyways, I hope you all have a good night.